Man-in-the-middle attacks are one of the more popular techniques of hackers. We are going to be looking at examples of Bettercap and Ettercap. But as always, these techniques are for educational purposes only, to defend yourself against these individuals. Bettercap, shown here, is a very easy-to-use CLI-based tool. To fire it up, you must use sudo bettercap, as you should be a root user. To begin monitoring the network, we use the command net.probe on. Immediately all devices connected to your default gateway are listed. You can document this if you wish, but by using the net.show command, you can view a more organized table format. It's perfect for your report writing. I am now going to sniff the traffic from my mobile phone, but before I do so, I must spoof the IP address of the device by using the set arp.spoof.targets command, followed by the IP address of my mobile phone. Then, I have to turn on the actual arp.spoofing module with the arp.spoof on command. My laptop is now the default gateway for this mobile. To begin viewing live traffic, I issue the net.sniff on command. Almost instantly, packets and traffic containing information are seen on the console. On my phone, I was visiting Amazon's website, hence all of the data packets being captured in Bettercap. But now I am visiting the unsafe website, testphp.vulnweb.com. By setting up an account here or logging in, you will see the login packet in Bettercap. As it is an unsafe site and the phone is monitored, we can see the credentials on the Bettercap console. You've been hacked and the hacker now owns you. Use a VPN to potentially avoid this. Ettercap isn't as feature-rich as Bettercap, but it does have a CLI and graphical version. I am going to use the graphical by typing sudo ettercap -G. The simple interface is very easy to use. At the same time, I start up Wireshark for deep packet sniffing by using the sudo Wireshark command in the CLI. During the demonstration, I am going to capture packets on the WLAN 0 interface, as shown above. Going back to Ettercap, click the tick to begin using the application. Next, click the spyglass icon to begin scanning the whole subnet for IP addresses, and Ettercap stores them. To view the devices, click the icon with 3 lines and it will display the IPs and MAC addresses. As with Bettercap, we are going to select my mobile as the target, so we do this by highlighting it, then click the Add to Target To button. By clicking the globe icon, a drop menu is revealed, so select ARP Poisoning. The Kali laptop is now the man in the middle and the default gateway for my mobile phone. Switching back to Wireshark, we are now going to begin capturing the packets from the mobile by clicking the Start button. As you can see, packets are already being captured as the list increases. I visit a couple of sites on my phone before visiting testphp.vulnweb.com again. The issue occurs when my phone, shown again on the right, sends the HTTP packets to the website and the packets are captured from the air. So, when I am typing my credentials again, the insecure HTTP packets are captured as I hit the login button. Now you can stop the capture by clicking the red square button. Wireshark is perfect for capturing data and analysis. You can filter on the session data by typing HTTP in the filter bar at the top. Scroll down to the packets that have post in it, where the user has posted their username and password. It is clearly shown in the application layer of the OSI model and the form contains the details. This is extremely unsecure and should be changed immediately. Thank you for joining us today, and we hope you understand the importance of application and web security a little more. Watch more videos on our channel and like, share and subscribe if you haven't already. See you again soon.